Right. Uh, Grade 9 lamai. Then today video, I'm going to discuss. Can you remember the last week lamai? We just discussed graph sections. Ne, the graph. What are the basic uh, theorems related to graph? Today, I'm going to complete past paper questions. Past paper questions. ඒ කියන්නේ exam questions ළමයි මං 8ක් හදනවා. Then I'm going to complete 8 past paper questions related to graphs lesson. Graphs lesson එකෙන් past papers 8ක්. So I'm going to complete 8 past paper questions related to graph lesson ළමයි related to, so that means grade 9 maths. Okay නේ? Right, let's quickly move to the next one. ටක් data. Right, okay. Very good. Let's quickly move to the first question, lamai. Then I'm going to take Maths Info website. මං යනවා Maths Info එකට. Right, very good. Let's try to take some graph questions related to the past papers. Grade 9. Second term, grade 9, second term. Then first one, lamai, Royal College paper. First one, Royal College paper. Yes. Try එකක් දෙන්න පැටියෝ අපි. Then this is the Royal College paper, Royal College 2019 graph. ඔන්න තියෙනවා graph එක ලස්සන්ට කරන්න තියෙන වැඩේ. හරිනේ? Right. So this is the graph. Royal College 2019. Royal College 2019. Let's try to do this one with me. මගෙත් එක්ක කරමු පැටියෝ. Royal College 2019. Then y equal x minus 2. Y equal x minus 2. හරිනේ? So we need to find down the values lamai. අපි හොයන්න ඕන පැටියෝ values ටික. We need to find down the values for 0 and 1 නේ. For 0 and 1. Right. මෙන්න 0, මෙන්න 1 for 0 and 1. We need to find down the values for 0 and 1. X equals to 0 and x equals to 1. Right? Right. Let's see that one. X equals to 0 means x minus 2. X equals to 0 means 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 lamai minus 2. 0 minus 2, what is the answer? Minus 2 lamai. Then what is the next one? ඊළඟ මොකද්ද? X equals to 1. X equals to 1 means x minus 2. X means 1. 1 minus 2 lamai. What is the answer? Minus 1. 1 minus 2, what is the answer? Minus 1 lamai. 1 minus 2, what is the answer? Minus 1. හරිනේ? Right. අන්න ළමයි 0 means 0 minus 2 minus 2. 1 minus 2 lamai, then minus 1. And now you can complete the table. Just quickly complete the table. Takkala complete current table lega. Quickly complete the table. Right? Quickly complete the table. Patakala complete current table lega. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17 one, eh? Right? X and Y. Yes, X and Y. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 4, minus 3. 0 means lamai minus 2. 1 means minus 1. 2 means 0. 3 means lamai 1. Harine. Now you can draw the table. First one lamai, fill in the blanks. So this is the first one. Fill in the blanks. Then you need to draw the graph lamai. You need to draw the graph using suitable scale, right? You need to draw the graph. Now we need to draw the graph. Let's quickly draw the graph. Right? Question number 2. We need to draw the graph x-axis and y-axis. So this is the x-axis, then y-axis, then x minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. While what is the maximum value? 1. Minimum value, so that means minus 4. Minimum value minus 4. Two, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, then negative 5. Right? Negative 5. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Right, okay? Then you need to mark x, this one as y. Then how to mark the first point? Minus 2 to minus 4. 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 Minus 1 to minus 3. Minus 1 to minus 3. Minus 1 to minus 3. 0 to minus 2. 0 to lamai minus 2. 1 to minus 1. 1 to minus 1. 2 to 0. 3 to 1. And lamai, then you can join the graph. Then you can draw the line lamai. This is the graph video, so you can draw the line now. Right? You can draw the line now on lamai graph. Yes, so this is the graph lamai. Let's quickly move to the next one. Look at the next one lamai. Balan ilang. Then look at the next one. Based on the graph, find the value of x. Find the value of x when y equal minus half. When y equal minus half. So minus 1 half. Minus 1 half. Minus 1 half means lamai ekaha marane minus 1 half. Y equal minus 1 half. Ko y equal minus 1. Then y equal minus 1 half. Y equal minus 1 half means here. Y equal minus 1 half means here. Neither. Y equal minus 1 half means here. Then lamai y equal minus 1 half. Then pedio, we can join in the graph and we can take the value of x. අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් x වල value එක. So we can take the value of x. Right? Then what is the value of x lamai? Minus 1, minus 2. This is minus 1 half. This is minus 1 half. Then what is the value? 0 and 1, midpoint between 0 and 1 lamai, 0.5. Then what is the third one? 0.5. 0.5. Third one lamai 0.5. Right? 0.5. Then 0.5. Then what is the next one lamai? Question number 3, 0.5. Then look at the next one. Write the equation of the straight line which is parallel to the above line and passing through. Right? Quickly complete this one up to this point. Try to complete this one up to here. Quickly complete this one up to here. Taggala complete kan lamai. Move to the next one. Tagalan video line. Okay, shall we move to the question number 3? Question number 3, okay, then quickly draw the graph. Takala graph, then I'm giving that time to you. Then shall we move to the next one, Lamai? Question number 3. Let's quickly move to the next one. Takala milayada. Write the equation of the straight line. Write the equation of the straight line which is parallel to the above line. Parallel to above line means, Lamai, gradient is equal. Parallel to straight line means, Lamai, gradient equal. Parallel to straight line means gradient is equal. Gradient equal. So gradient equal means y equal x minus 2 is the graph of this, is the equation of this graph. Make about your gradient equal. Gradient is equal. But look at the point here. හැබැයි මෙතන බලන්න point එක. Passing through 0, 3. Passing through the point 0, 3. 0, 3 means, lamai, it passing through 0, 3. Can you see this one? Pay that. Passing through 0, 3. මෙන්න මෙතනින් තමයි යන්නේ. Right? Right. Passing through 0, 3. මෙන්න මෙතනින් තමයි බැඩියෝ graph එක යන්නේ ඔහොම. Okay නේ. 0, 3 means, lamai. Now look at the next one. Parallel means 1 ne. 1 means m equals to 1. Intercept means C ne. C equals to 3. M equals to 1, C equals to 3. M equals to 1, C equals to 3. C equals to 3. A passing through C ne. Neither passing through C, passing through 0, 3. Again, C equals to 3. Then what is the equation of the graph? What is the equation of the graph? Y equal mx plus c is the common equation. M කියන්නේ පැටියෝ 1. 1x means x plus 3. X plus 3. X plus 3, right? So that means x plus 3. Let's quickly move to the next one. Does the point minus 8 minus 10 lie on the first graph? Explain your answers with reason. Minus 8 minus 10. On the first graph, minus 8 minus 10. If that point is lie on the graph lamai, equation should be satisfied. A කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Look at the last one. Y equal x minus 2. Now what is the point? Minus 8 minus 10. Minus 8 minus 10 is the point. Then make a graph එක satisfy වෙන්න ඕන. Minus 10 minus 8 minus 8 minus 10 is the point. Y means what? Minus 10. X means what? Minus 8. Minus 8 minus 2. Minus 8 minus 2, what is the answer? Minus 10. And lamai minus 10 minus 10 equal. That means lamai equation satisfied. අන්න ලස්සන්ට ලියන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ දෙපැත්තම සමාන වෙනවනේ ගන්නට. Y equals then may minus 10 minus 10. Equation satisfied. Therefore, point lie on the graph. Point lies on the graph. Point lies on the graph. Point එක graph එකේ තියෙනවා. Right? So this is the Royal College paper ළමයි. Let's quickly move to the next one. ටක් ගාලා යමු ඊළඟ එකට. Right, try to complete that one by yourself. Royal College paper 2019. Harine. Today I'm going to discuss what are the graph questions lamai related to past papers. Past papers api graphs questions ටික තමයි කතා කරලා ඉවර කරන්න හදන්නේ අපි. හරි? Right, quickly complete this one by yourself. ටක් ගාලා කරන්න. Try to complete that one by yourself. Quickly raise your hands up if you're done lamai. Just quickly raise your hands up if you're done. ටක් ගාලා hands up එකක් දෙන්න ඉවර කට්ටිය. Hurry up. Right, okay there. Let's quickly move to the next one. ටක් ගාලා පිටි ළඟට. Question number 5. Then ළමයි Southern Province එකට යමු ටක් ගාලා අපි. Southern Province paper, Southern Province paper. Let's quickly move to the Southern Province paper. ටක් ගාලා යමු. Southern Province, Southern Province, Southern Province. Southern Province. Southern Province නෑනේ ළමයි. No questions related to Southern Province. Okay, let's quickly move to Northwestern Province. 2019 Northwestern Province paper. Northwestern Province paper 2019 graph අන්න ළමයි graph එකක් තියෙනවා ලස්සනට. ඕවා ටියුට් එකෙත් ඇති හොදේ. Y equal minus 3x plus 1. Y equal minus 3x plus 1. කරන්න වැඩියෝ. Try to complete that one by yourself. Hurry up. Northwestern Province 2019. Northwestern Province 2019. Y equal minus 3x plus 1. Y equal minus 3x plus 1. Y equal minus 3x plus 1. Fill in the blanks. We need to draw the graphs. Then find the gradient and the intercept of the function. Find the gradient and the intercept of the function. හොයන්න කියලා තියෙනවා gradient and the intercept. So we can do this one. So draw the graph parallel to the above graph and passing through 0, minus 3. Same coordinate plane. Then what is the requirement that should be satisfied to graph should be 2 parallel. So that means easy. Then minus 1 and plus 1 නේද? minus 1 වලට හොයන්න තියෙනවා plus 1 වලට හොයන්න තියෙනවා. When x equal minus 1 කරන්න වැඩියෝ. Minus 3x plus 1 minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 plus 1 minus into minus lamai plus 3 plus 1 3 plus 1 lamai 4 x equals to minus 1 x equals to minus 1 harine x equals to plus 1 lamai when x equals to plus 1 when x equals to plus 1 minus 3x plus 1 minus 3 multiply by x means lamai 1 plus 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 what is the answer minus 2 minus 3 plus 1 what is the answer minus 2 minus 3 plus 1 means lamai minus 2 minus 3 plus 1 means lamai minus 2 දැන් ඔයාලට අර ටික ගානට ලස්සනට අඳින්න පුළුවන් ළමයි 4 and minus 2 4 and minus 2 quickly do this one ටක් ගාලා කරගන්න Right, okay, lamai. Yes, then quickly draw the graph 4 and minus 2. Anna lamai 4 and minus 2. Then මෙතන දාගන්න පුළුවන් ටක් ගාලා 4 and minus 2. 4 and minus 2. Right. Quickly draw the graph. ටක් ගාලා අඳින graph එක. Quickly draw the graph. Second one lamai, you can draw the graph. Hurry up. Then try to draw this one with me. මගෙත් එක්ක අඳින්න පැටියෝ. X and Y. 7 and minus 5. 7 to minus 5 lamai. X-axis lamai minus 2 plus 2 ne. X-axis minus 2 plus 2. X-axis minus 2 plus 2. Y-axis lamai, what is the maximum one? Y-axis, what is the maximum one? 7. Maximum 7, minimum minus 5. Maximum lamai 7. 7 to 5 ne. So what can we take 2? You can take 2 squares as 1 unit. 12, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bene. Let's take. I'm going to take 2 squares as 1. Right, okay. Then lamai 7. Harine. 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5 තියනවද ළමයි? I'm talking about y-axis. Negative 5 තියනවද? ඔව්නේ. Negative 5 also there. Right? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. හරිනේ. Now you need to draw the x-axis. දැන් අඳින්න ඕන වැඩියෝ x-axis එක. Right. ඒක නම් easy නේ. +1, +2, +3 වගේ ගමු. -1, -2, -3. -1, -2, -3. This one is wrong. වැරදි පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න. +1, +2, plus 3 plus 4. Negative 4 also there. Right, very good. Let's quickly move to the next one. Negative 2 to negative 7. Negative 2 to negative 7. Then lamai negative 2 to positive 7. Negative 2 to positive 7. Negative 2 to 7. Negative 2 to 7. Negative 2 to 7. Right? Negative 2 to 7. Negative 1 to 4. Negative 1 to 4. Negative 1 to 4. Okay, ne? Negative 1 to 4. Then you can do this one. Karagene yanna taggala. 0 to 1. 0 to 1 here. 0 to 1 here. 0 to 1. 1 to 1 to negative 2. 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 2 to negative 5. 2 to negative 5. 2 to negative 5. Then you can draw the graph. Right, okay. Yes, very good. This is the graph, Lamai. Now you can draw the graph. Just quickly draw the graph with me. Quickly draw the graph. Then I told you I'm going to discuss 8 questions related to this part. Find the gradient and the intercept of the function. What is the gradient, Lamai? Right? Look at the third question. Look at the third question. Y equal negative 3x plus 1. ඉතින් ළමයි මේ x වල coefficient එක. This is the gradient. This is the intercept. So gradient, what is the gradient? Then what is the gradient? Negative 3. What is the intercept, ළමයි? Right? What is the intercept? Plus 1. Gradient lamai negative 3, intercept plus 1. Gradient negative 3, intercept plus 1. Easy ne lamai. Right? Quickly do this one. Taggala karanna. Question number 4. Let's quickly move to the next one. Question number 4. Draw the graph parallel to above graph and pass through 0, minus 3. මේකට parallel එකක් අඳින්නලු 0, minus 3. 0, minus 3 means lamai going through this one. මෙතනින් යන්නේ. 0, minus 3. I'm going to use another color lamai, right? On 0, minus 3. 0, minus 3 means this one. Then how to find down that points? කොහොමද ළමයි හොයන්නේ? බලන්න පැටියෝ මේ මෙන්න මෙතන point එක 1. 1, you need to move how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4 units to down. So you need to move 4 units to down. 4ක් පහලට ගිහිලා තියෙනවා. හරිනේ. 4ක් පල්ලෙහාට ගිහිලා තියෙනවා. Then ළමයි this one also you need to move 4 units to down. This one also you need to move 4 units to down. නේද? එහෙමනේ. Then 1 2, 3, 4. මෙයත් එහෙමයි. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units to down. Right? This one also lamai 1, 2, 3, 4 units to down. And this is the new parallel line. This is the new parallel line. Then we can draw this one. This is the new parallel line. Yes, this is the new parallel line. Right? Question number 4 and draw the parallel line above. And so question number 4 is done. What is the requirement that should be satisfied to two graphs to be parallel? Am I two graphs parallel means two graphs parallel means am I gradient gradient should be equal. Gradient should be equal. Gradient should be equal. Gradient value should be equal. Gradient value should be equal. Gradient equal when known. Northwestern Province 2019 paper. Let's try to do this one by yourself. Struggle video. Try to complete that one by yourself. Hurry up. Yes, let's quickly move to the next one. Northwestern Province 2019. Haran lamai. Right. Then shall we move to the next one? The matakaine. Two lines should be parallel means gradient should be equal. Gradient equal when no. Avulak nani. Right. Then try to complete next one. Then taggala milang hurry up quickly move to the next one. North Central Province lamai. North Central Province 2019. North Central Province 2019. North Central Province 2019. Graph, graphs. Let's see the graph question. Nene. No graphs question. Let's quickly move to the next one. Takalampati langada. Then I'm quickly moving to the next paper. Lamai. Takalampati lang paper agada. 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4 are my first three questions related to graph. Palavini questions to a graph related lamai. Right? Yes. Let's try to do this one by yourself. Takalampadio. Try to complete that one by yourself. Now you need to fill in the blanks. Then blanks take a fill karanna. Now you need to fill the blanks. Then try to complete that one by yourself. Hurry up. Try to complete that one by yourself. Ikman karanna. Quickly complete that one by yourself. Takala karan. Y equal 2x minus 4. North Central ni. Rahul Balika College lamai. Rahul Balika වද්දලමයි. ඔමින්න බලන්න. Let's see. Right, okay. Then 2x minus 4. Y equal 2x minus 4 lamai. Then x equals to minus 2 and minus 1. X equals to minus 2 and minus 1. මම මෙතනම හදලා දානවා ළමයි. Then y equal 2x minus 4. 2 multiplied by x means lamai minus 2. Then minus 4. 2 multiplied by x means minus 2. X and minus 2 ni minus 4. 2 multiplied by minus 2. What is the answer? Minus 4. 2 multiplied by minus 2. What is the answer? Minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4 lamai altogether minus 8. Minus 4 minus 4. What is the answer? Minus 8. Then again, y equal 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. Then 2 multiplied by x means lamai minus 1. 2 multiplied by x means minus 1. Then minus 4. 2 multiplied by minus 1 means lamai minus 2. 2 multiplied by minus 1 means minus 2. Minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4. What is the answer? Minus 6. Harine, minus 2 minus 4. What is the answer? Minus 6. Minus 2 minus 4. What is the answer? Minus 6. Right. Then lamai, what is the value here? Adina then minus 8. Then what is the value here? Lamai minus 6. Minus 8 and minus 6. Minus 8 and minus 6. Then you can draw the graph, right? Yes. Let's quickly move to the graph. Lamai question number 2. Then you can draw the graph. Try එකක් දෙන්න. කරන්න ළමයි කරන්න තනින් කරන්න. Try to complete that one by yourself. ඉක්මන් කරන්න. Try to complete that one by yourself. Quickly complete that one by yourself. Analamai, then draw the graph of the above function. Then we need to draw the graph. Then look at the y lamai minus 10, then 0. Y minus 10, 0. Right? Y minus 10 and 0. Y minus 10. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, then plus 1, 0, then plus 1. 0, then plus 1. Right, analyze my graphs. Plus 1, plus 4, and next. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, then lamai y, right? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, then y. Right, okay. Yes. Let's quickly move to the next one. Taggalamu. Minus 3 to minus 10. Minus 3 to minus 10. Minus 3 to minus 10 lamai. Minus 3 to minus 10. Minus 3 to minus 10. Minus 3 to minus 10. Minus 2 to minus 8. Minus 2 to minus 8. Minus 1 to minus 6. Minus 1 to minus 6. Minus 1 to minus 6. 0 to minus 4. 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 to 0 to minus 4. 1 to minus 2. 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 Then look at the next one. My 2 to 2 to 0. 2 to 0. Anna dinna puluwan lamai graph එක ඩෝන් ගාලා. Then we can draw the graph. Right, okay. Then lamai we can draw the graph. Andina වැඩි andina. Then try to do this one by yourself. Hurry up. Then look at the next one. බලන්න ඊළඟ එක. Write the equation of the straight line which is parallel to above and pass through 0, 0. Parallel to above and pass through 0, 0. Pass through 0, 0. Pass through 0, 0 means lamai මෙන්න මෙතනින් pass වෙනවා කියලා කියන්න පැටියෝ. Pass through 0, 0. ඒ කියන්නේ just consider minus 4 changing to 0. Minus 4, 0 වෙලා තියෙනවා. How many points? You need to take 1, 2, 3, 4 points up. You need to take 4 points up. So 4 points up means 1, 2, 3, 4. මෙන්න මෙතනට එනවා. 1, 2, 3, 4. මෙයා මෙතනට එනවා. Anna Patio, now you can draw the graph. So that one is really easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hari neda? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can draw the graph. Right, okay. Then you can draw the graph. Yes, හරිනේ. ටික බලන්න කොච්චර ලේසිද කියලා ළමයි. So that one is really easy. මාර lazy වැඩේ. හරි. Write the equation of the straight line. So parallel means ළමයි, then what is the equation of that black color one? What is the equation of that black color one? Black color graph එක මොකද්ද? Y equal 2x minus 4 නේ. Y equal 2x minus 4. Y equal 2x minus 4. Yes, y equal 2x minus 4. හරිනේ, y equal 2x minus 4. Then gradient ළමයි m equals to 2 නේ. Gradient should be equal. Parallel means gradient equal. Parallel means ළමයි gradient equal. Then passing through 0, 0. Passing through 0, 0 means intercept equals to 0. අන්න පැටියෝ intercept ළමයි 0. Intercept equals to 0. Intercept එක 0. So that means y equal 2x plus 0. කියන්නේ නිකන් ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Y equal 2x. Then y equal 2x. Right? Then y equal 2x. So that is the equation of the straight line. That is the equation of the straight line. Quickly complete this one. Akala complete kan lamai. Rahula College paper 2019. Rahula College paper 2019. Quickly complete that one by yourself. Akala karanna. Kalampadi langata. Right? Okay ne. Make okay the lamai. Right. Let's quickly move to the next one. Tagalamu ilanga paper ekata. Yes. Quickly. Let's try to do this one. Then lamai Western Province paper 2018. Then මේ වගේ එකක් එනවා ළමයි. Please try to complete this one by yourself. වැඩේ කරන්න 2018 Western Province paper ඔන්න ළමයි question එක. 2018 Western Province paper. So that is the question. Try to complete that one by yourself. ටක් ගාලා කරමු. minus 2x plus 3. Minus 2x plus 3. What? Minus 2x plus 3. Yes, let's quickly do this one. Taggala karo. Analamai. Try එකක් දෙන්න. How to find down the value for minus 1 and 4. මුලින්ම හොයන්න ඕන. Then you need to substitute for x. Then you need to draw the graph. Then you can draw the graph. B part also there ළමයි මේ. Yes, B part also there. ඉක්මන් කරමු. Try to complete that one by yourself. Hurry up. Y equal minus 2x. Western province. Then I'm going to get ready for question lamai. Western province 2018. Western province 2018. Y equal minus 2x plus 3. Y equal minus 2x plus 3. Instead of x lamai, we need to substitute minus 1. X වෙනුවට minus 1 දාමු. හරි. Instead of x, we need to substitute minus 1. Substitute lamai minus 1. Minus 1 දාන්න තියෙන්නේ. Quickly do this one. Let's quickly move to the next one. Lamai minus 2x plus 3. Then x means lamai minus 1. X වෙනුවට දාන්න කීයද වැඩියෝ minus 1. Minus 2x plus 3. X means lamai minus 1 plus 3. Minus into minus plus 2. Plus 2 plus 3 lamai. What is the answer? Plus 5. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. Then look at the next one. ඊළඟ බලන්න. ඊළඟ බලන්න. X equal. So what is the answer for x equal 4? X4 වෙද්දී. X4. ඒ කියන්නේ ළමයි minus 2x plus 3. Minus 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3. Minus 2 multiplied by 4 minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3 ළමයි minus 5 is the answer. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 is the answer. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 is the answer. Right? Minus 5 is the answer. අන්න දැන් කරන්න බැටියෝ. Now quickly do this one. Check කරගන්න. ඔයාගේ answers ටික check කරගන්න. Hurry up. Try to check your answers with me. Quickly do this one. Then you can draw the graph. Then අඳින්න graph එක. Then you can draw the graph. Try to complete that one by yourself. Hurry up. ඉක්මන් කරන්න. Right, very good. Then my question number 2. Yes, look at the next one. My question number 2. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Harine. Right. Then quickly draw the graph. Then on the video graph figure. Minus 5 is the minimum point. Plus 5 is the maximum point. Ne? Look at the x1 lamai minus 1 to plus 4. -5, -5. 3, 4, 5. Then next lamai, this one equals to y. X and y. Let's quickly move to the next one. Taggala mo ilangada. -1 to +5. -1 to +5. Haran lamai. Right. Okay. Then what are the points? -1 to balana pedio. -1 to +5. -1 to +5. Anna lamai andina graph එක. -1 to +5. -1 to +5. -1 to +5. 0 to 3. 1 to 1. 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 2 to -1. 2 to -1. 2 to -1. 3 to lamai. 3 to -3. 3 to -3. 3 to -3. හරිනේ? දැන් අදින්න පුළුවන් graph එක you can mark the next point as well. mark කරගන්න. Yes, this is the graph. Then what is the last point? What is the last point ළමයි? ඒකත් ඔතන තමයි තියෙන්නේ ඉතින්. 4 to 4 to කීයද බැටියෝ? 4 to -5. 4 to -5 ගාන්ට තියෙනවා ළමයි දැක්කනේ. 4 to -5. ඔන්න ළමයි we can draw the graph. This is the graph. Quickly complete this one. ටක් ගාලා කරගන්න. Just quickly complete this one by yourself. This is the graph. This is the graph. Hurry up. මම කරන්න ළමයි. Hurry up ළමයි. Yes, let's quickly move to the next one. Right. Then quickly move to the next one. ටක් ගාලා ඊළඟට. Question number 3 lamai. Write the equation of the graph which is parallel to above graph which pass through the origin. What is the origin lamai? මොකක්ද origin කියන්නේ? මේ තියෙන origin passing through the origin. Passing through the origin lamai, right? So that means 3 we need to change to 0. 1, 2, 3 points to down. So we need to change 3 points to down. This one down, ne? So that means we need to take 3 down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. ඔන්න ළමයි. Right, very good. So this is the graph lamai parallel to black color one and passing through the origin. Parallel to black color one and passing through the origin. Black color ekata parallel and passing through the origin. Right? So what is the equation of this graph lamai? Same. ඉතින් දැන් මේවා කරලා තියෙනවා ළමයි ඇති වෙනකන් හරි. What is the equation of this graph? Y equals negative 2x plus 3. Plus 3 means plus 3. Then what is the equation of this graph lamai? Y equal negative 2x plus 0. ඒ කියන්නේ ළමයි y equal negative 2x. Y equal negative 2x. Question number 3 lamai. Y equal negative 2x plus 0 or y equal negative 2x. Right. Then look at the B part lamai. Without drawing the graph, write down the gradient and the intercept of the function. Without drawing the graph. Graph එක අඳින්න නැතුව හොදේ. Then y 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y equals to 6. 3x plus 2y equals to 6. Now, Lamai, how to find down the graph, how to find down the gradient and the intercept of the graph, Lamai? So gradient and intercept of the graph, we need to make subject as y. We need to make subject as y. Y subject karanna ona. That means, Lamai, plus 3x. First, we need to remove plus 3x. How to remove plus 3x? Minus 3x. 6 minus 3x. 3x to 3x cancelled out lamai. 2y equals to minus 3x plus 6. Minus 3x plus 6. Harine. Now we need to make subject as y. Y subject karanna ona. So that means lamai all the terms you need to divide by 2. Y equals to minus 3 over 2x. 6 divided by 2 lamai 12. Then this is the gradient. Analamai gradient equals to minus 3 over 2. And this is the intercept. Intercept equals to plus 3. Gradient equals to minus 3 over 2. Intercept equals to plus 3. Right? Intercept equals to plus 3. Harine? Right? Intercept equals to plus 3. Right. Because you need to make the subject as y. Y subject karanna ona. Then you need to complete that one by yourself. Right. Okay. Intercept means lamai. What is the last number? That is plus 3. Gradient means what is the coefficient of x. Gradient means what is the coefficient of x. X වල coefficient එක මොකක්ද කියලා අහන්න. Right? Yes. Quickly complete this one. ටක් ගාලා ඉවර කරගන්න වැඩි. Hurry up ළමයි. Quickly move to the next one. ටක් ගාලා පැඩියෝ. Now ළමයි try to complete past paper questions ළමයි. Right? So you can take that one from the your workbook. I will show you that one. Related to graph lesson. Graph is the last lesson. Graph is the last lesson of your textbook, right? May workbook ne. Graph is the last lesson no. Graph ne අන්තිම එක. Yes, may so many questions are there ළමයි. First one is done. Second one is done. Right? Yes. So you can do this one කරන්න පුළුවන් ළමයි. May look at the graph question number 5 බලන්න. right? Question number 6, 7, 8. Please try to complete. How many questions are there? 7 questions, 8 questions. How many questions are there? 8 questions. Please try to complete that one by yourself. අනිවාර්යෙන් පැඩියෝ තනියම කරන්න. Try to complete that one by yourself. වැඩ කරන්න. Please try to complete all the questions before the term test and try to get the highest marks for the term test. වැඩිම ලකුණු ගන්න. If you have any questions ළමයි, please let me know. මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් මට කියන්න. හරි? If you have any question, please let me know through my WhatsApp. So 071 7574679. 7574679. Then bye bye. Right? See you soon.